womb-related disorders. The womb is deeply connected to a woman's subconscious mind and emotional body. Just as stress tightens the muscles in response to perceived danger, the womb can absorb and store emotional pain, trauma, and unresolved memories. The subconscious mind carries imprints from past generations, survival fears, relationship patterns, and cultural conditioning that shape how a woman experiences her body and emotions. Many of these patterns were responses to historical struggles, suppression of feminine power, fear of abandonment, or cultural stigmas around womanhood. If these subconscious blueprints remain unaddressed, they continue to express themselves physically and emotionally across generations, leading to recurring reproductive health issues, family histories of fibroids, endometriosis, or menstrual irregularities often stem from unresolved generational trauma. Emotional disconnect from the womb. A history of suppressed feminine energy can cause women to feel disconnected from their body's wisdom and intuition. Difficulties in motherhood or fertility. Ancestral fears or subconscious blockages may interfere with the ability to conceive or experience a fulfilling motherhood journey. Menstrual pain and irregularities. Uterine fibroids and cysts. Endometriosis, infertility, chronic pelvic tension, polycystic ovary syndrome may cause. Reproductive health imbalances. At the Wellbeing Sanctuary, we recognize that healing womb-related issues requires and demands deep work through subconscious reprogramming and nervous system regulation. Our DecodeYou Therapy model works by decoding generational survival programs. We help uncover inherited emotional patterns and subconscious fears stored in the womb space, releasing suppressed emotional pain. Through guided subconscious work, nervous system recalibration, and trauma release techniques, we help remove energetic blockages, restoring balance to the nervous system. By shifting the body from fight, flight, freeze mode to a state of safety and flow, we'll allow the womb to heal at a cellular level. Your pain is real, but your perception can be reprogrammed. At the Wellbeing Sanctuary, we help you break free from the subconscious cycles holding you back. Book your free consultation today to know more.